Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Open the book page number 72. Question number 4. Rewrite these fractions that they have common denominator. We want to write the common denominator. Okay students, rewrite these fractions so that they have a common denominator. Yes students, A part is 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. In this fraction 1 by 2, 2 is the denominator and 1 is the numerator. And the other fraction 2 is the denominator, 3 is the denominator and 2 is the numerator. In this fraction 2 and 3 are denominators. We want to same this. Okay? We want to same this. Yes students. Now what is the first is? Solution, we write solution, there is right 1 by 2, right? There is 1 by 2, we want this fraction and this fraction same. And we write and 2 by 3. So what is the skill? How to change numerator, how to change the denominator. So class, what is this 2? Denominator is 2. And what is the denominator? There is a 3. This 3 denominator, you multiply itself. 3 up and 3 down. Understand? In this fraction 1 by 2, other fraction is 2 by 3. Other fraction 3, you multiply 3 up and down. Understand? Now, there is 2 by 3. We want to same this. What we do? What is the previous fraction? 1 by 2. This 2 is multiply up and down. Understand students? From you check there. This is the 2. This fraction 3. This denominator 3. You multiply here and here. And this fraction in this denominator. This 2 is multiply here and there. Now 3 ones are 3. And 2 threes are 6. And 2 twos are 4 and 3 twos are 6. Now you check that both the denominator are same. Both the denominator are same. This is answer. Only we find the same denominator in this question. Understand students? Second part is 1 by 6, 1 by 6 and 2 by 9, right? Solution. Yes class, what is this? Their denominator is 6. So we multiply this denominator up and down, and in this fraction we multiply this denominator up and down. It means that this is going up and down for multiplying. Understand? Solution equals 1 by 6. Again we write 1 by 6 and 2 by 9. So 1 multiply with 9 and also 6 multiply with 9. Understand? This denominator. Now there is 9. So we multiply 6 up and 6 down. From other fraction of the denominator, there is 6 and there is 6. Now you check that both the denominators 6 multiply 9, 6 multiply are same. So you write here 1 9s are 9 and 6 9s are 54 and 2 6 are 12 and 9 6 are 54. Answer. Understand student? Any problem? If you have any problem, please tell me. I will tell you how can we do that. C part is C part 4 by 5 and 1 by 3. Right students? Solution. Yes class, what we do? There is 5 and there is 3. Not going in the same table. So what we do? This 3 is going up and this 3 is going down. and multiplied 4 by 5, multiply, what is the number is there? 3 and 3, and there is the 1 by 3, multiply up and down. Which number we multiply up and down? What is the denominator of this? This denominator is 5. This 5 up and this 5 down. Understand? Now 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, and 1 5s are 5 and 3 5s are 15. Answer. Yes class, both the denominator are same, right? Any problem? Now the D part is, now the D part is 3 by 8, D part, 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. Yes class. 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. Too much 12. But table of 12 you now did. Solution. Yes class. What we do? Yes students. Now you check that there is 8 and there is a 12. Both the denominator, if we multiply 12 up and down, it's very big number. So what we, this method is right. If we 12 up and down, no problem. But there is a 12 and there is 8. You check that 12 and 8 goes in a same table. What we do? You check that 3 by 8. We write here 3 by 8. 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. What is the common number between them? If we read the table of 8, any number is come same. So we write here 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, right? So this and this number are same in this table. Because 12 is too much big number. If you want to do 12 up and 12 down, no problem. Other method I told you. So what we do? You write here 3 and 8 is right here. Now we want make the 24 both, because 8 table of 8 24 will come and table of 12 24 will come. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. 3 up and 3 down. Understand that? And here is the 24, 12. Here is the 12. Now you check that 12. What we do? We read the table of 12 when 24 will come. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. 2 up and 2 down. Understand? If the denominator is too much, you read the tables of this. Okay? Now students, 3 threes are 9, 8 threes are 24, and 5 twos are 10, and 12 twos are 24. You check that both the denominator are same. Understand? And please check that if we do this, it's okay. If you want to do like the previous method, also you can do. How? But this is the easiest method when the denominator is given. Okay? 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. Yes class. 5, here is 12 up and down. And here is 8 up and down. Very highest value. 12 threes are 36. Okay? And 12 eights are 12 eights are 2 eights are 16. 8 ones are 96. There is the 96. And 5 eights are 40. And there is the 96. Then we again cut that. Again, because down after the end side there is a 6 and 6. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 18. and down 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are down is a 48. Again cutting, and this is a 20 and this is a 48. It's a very long. When you check that the denominator is too much high, you learn the tables. Okay. Then again 2 9s are 18. Okay. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. And 2 10s are 20. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Now again it's answer. Understand, students? But the first method, when the denominator is too much long, too much high, then what we do, we read down the tables and write the tables. The students, if you want to do this method, it's okay, but this is very highest method when the denominator are too much. Okay, we'll page number 72, question number 4, part A, B, C and D, only that. Tick mark part A, B, C and D. Page number 72, question number 4, A, B, tick mark here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, skip. Only this question. 4 question. All the question I write in that video. You check that. If you have any problem, now you can ask me. Okay, no problem for me. Inshallah, we'll meet you again tomorrow with new work. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.